Hey everyone, welcome to Law Spirits. So today in this video I gonna discuss one of the most confused topic of contract, and that is contract should be in written or in oral form. Okay, so I'll discuss this with the perspective of CLAT and other law entrances. Okay, so let's start. So according to Indian Contract Act, a contract may be in oral or in written. Okay, you can make contract in oral or in written form. Both are allowed. Okay, but there are some exceptions, like there are some special cases where it has been laid down that agreement to be valid must be in writing or registered. Means only writing and registered agreements are allowed in some of the cases. So let's study these some of the special cases. Okay, so under our section 25 of the Indian Contract Act, it requires that an agreement to pay a time bar debt must be in writing. Okay, so time bar debt agreement must be in writing. Time bar debt are the debt that are non collectible. Okay, देयर आर सम डेट्स, कुछ ऐसे डेट्स होते हैं जिनको इतना ज़्यादा टाइम हो चुका होता है जिनको कलेक्ट करने की कोई भी गुंजाइश नहीं बची होती है. ओके, देयर सम एग्रीमेंट टू मेक अ गिफ्ट फॉर नेचुरल लव एंड अफेक्शन मस्ट बी इन राइटिंग एंड रजिस्टर्ड. ओके, so gift for natural love and affection must always be in writing. There must word has been used. Okay, so it means that oral is not accepted at all. Okay, and similarly certain other laws may require written or registration to make agreement enforceable by law. Okay, so let's study certain other laws. So some special cases are like, first is an arbitration agreement must be in writing. Okay, arbitration agreement must be in writing as per the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. Okay, so arbitration agreements are related to settlement of conflicts between two parties. Okay, so like next example is like an agreement for sale of immovable property. Okay, immovable property are the properties like land, building which can't be separated from their roots. Okay, and they must be in writing and registered under the Transfer Property Act 1882 before they can be legally enforced. So I have covered all related to contract to be in oral or in written from the CLAT and other law entrances perspective. Thanks for watching, and please like and share my video, and please subscribe to my channel, and please comment down below how you like this one, it was informative or not, and what else you want from this channel. Okay, and also please follow me on Instagram. My ID is Law Spirits. There I upload memes, news updates, and some motivational stuff also.